I'm Laura Gwyn, and I've been selling real estate here in the Salem, Oregon area since 1995. Everybody's talking about interest rates right now, and so just know I'm old, okay? You can say it. I've got lines. I have worked through all of the interest rates. When I originally started working in real estate, it was for the Oregon Department of Veteran Affairs, upstairs in their loan servicing department, processing transactions that occurred between a veteran and a non-veteran that they weren't married to. It would adjust their interest rate to the non-veteran rate at that time. We're talking 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20%, okay? Interest rates used to be high. It's based on economics and where we are politically. And so just know that then at that time, interest rates were like at 13%. I will never forget advice given to me by one of my law professors. He is still a practicing attorney here in town, George Price. He's downtown Salem, wonderful real estate attorney if you ever need one. We were learning about land sales contracts and first trust deeds because when interest rates were high, everybody was buying on contract. And so we were learning about the pros and cons of each and when to use them, how to use them, and why people used them. And I asked him, or the class asked him, what is a mistake that you made during this time when you were purchasing at 13% interest rate on contract? He told us the only mistake he's ever made is not buying enough real estate. That has stuck with me all of these years since the 90s. I will never forget it. And so I'm passing this word of wisdom from him to you. The only mistake that you can ever make in real estate is not buying enough. When you work with me and you price it right and it cash flows, if you're looking to have a second home, a vacation home, rentals, investment properties of any sort, if you need to purchase a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th, 20th home, I want you to comment below investor and DM me your email address, and I'll give you the next steps to working with me.